Man, I think I finally figured out how to get that piece of shit fucking husky compressor to work right. Fuck you. So, I'll put this badass little Pyrex dish on there. Got all that crap going on that end. I figure you're up freezing your fucking balls off right about now. You probably appreciate this thing. No, you like that. Yeah, it's a fucking anomaly. It actually rained for the last 3 days. Shit, fuck. Alright, anyway, Negro, later.